Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here click on build number 7 times. Okay, so we've got the developer mode already activated, but once it's unlocked, just click on it 7 times, then you will be able to reach developer options, which now can be found under System and Updates right here. So click on it, and here you should locate Automatic System Updates right here, and simply by tapping you can activate this feature. And from now on, your system updates will be applied automatically. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.